Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on how to check Instagram account region or country. So, let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, navigate to the profile you want to check. This could be your own profile or someone else's. You can do this by searching for the account using the search bar or by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right if you're checking your own account. Once you're on the profile page, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with several options. In the menu, look for and tap on About this account. This option is available for business accounts or accounts with a significant following. But some personal accounts might also have this information. Under About this account, you'll see various details, including the date the account was created, former usernames, and more. Scroll down until you find the Account Country or Account Regions section. Here, you'll see the region or country associated with the account. This information can give you insight into where the account is managed from or where it was originally created. It's especially useful if you're dealing with international clients or accounts, and there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.